Want to log out of your Facebook account, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to log out of Facebook, both on the mobile app and the desktop site. Now let's get started. To sign out of Facebook on the mobile app, open Facebook on your smartphone or tablet. Tap your profile icon at the bottom. Scroll all the way down and tap Log Out. To confirm, tap Log Out. You'll then be signed out of the Facebook app. To log out of Facebook on the desktop site, open your browser and go to facebook.com. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Log Out. You'll then be signed out of the Facebook website. That's all it takes to sign out of the Facebook mobile app and website. For more helpful Facebook tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Facebook tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.